Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and in this video we're doing an unboxing here. I actually won this watch from WatchChris. He had actually a series of giveaways for 10,000 subscribers, and this is the first watch I have won from a YouTube giveaway, so that's kind of cool. It's much appreciated, these giveaways. I've done a couple of giveaways myself, and I think I might actually give away this watch as well. I'm not sure what the rules will be for this. And nothing too complicated. I think I will end up giving this away though, just to share my appreciation with you guys. Also, it's kind of fitting to, I think, give away a watch that I won also in a giveaway. I wish it could be for 10,000 subscribers, maybe one day, but maybe I'll do it for 2,000 subscribers, or maybe something a little closer than that. Right now, we're at about 1,300, I think just below 1,370. So let's get this thing out of here. Don't want to cut anything in here. I forgot what the name of this watch is. I know it has a yellow strap, and it's a dive style watch. I don't think it's rated for 200 meter water resistance. I think it's more like 100 meter. There we go. Finally got that slid out of there. Coup de coeur. Looks French, I guess. So maybe this just slides out of here. Yeah, okay, so that's cool. Oh, so that's leather. I was thinking it was silicone. So yeah, it looks like a Seiko NH3035 movement. So yeah, it looks like a cool little watch. So there's some information there. www.watch.sg. So it must be Singapore. And this looks like all this on the back. Oh, there's some interesting lug design here. Oops, sorry, off camera. I don't know if those are functional. Looks like just a spring bar in there. Sign crown. It's not a screw down crown, so yeah, 100. I believe it's 100 meter water resistant. Yep. It says right down there in the dial, 100. Right there on the dial, 100 meter water resistant. Automatic 24 joules. Looks to be aluminum bezel insert. So yeah, a neat little watch here. Got a gigantic buckle on here. Looks to be about 22 millimeter lug width, maybe. I have a watch handy to compare it to. Make sure I have my handy little tape measure here. Yeah, 22 millimeter lug width. So let's get this on wrist and we'll close out the video. I'll look up the additional specs on this, take some measurements, and do a full review video. So let's see if it fits my 6.5 inch wrist. Yeah, let me zoom back out a bit here. Come on, get on the wrist here. the strap's a little kind of sticky here. Well, that's interesting. There we go. I probably should tighten it one more, but I'll make you guys suffer through that again. So here it is on my 6.5-inch wrist with 52mm wristband. It's quite the polish. It looks like everything on the watch is polished. So let's zoom out and close out the video. So let me know what you think of this watch. Have you heard of this brand before? I have not heard of this brand. Indices look like they might be applied. I'll zoom back in here in a moment. Yeah, close enough. So let me know what you think of this watch. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would appreciate it. Like the video if you've liked it, and let me know what you think of this watch and my content. So what we're gonna look at the indices. I think they may be applied. Looks like they're applied. So that will conclude the video today. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you guys soon.